What's up guys, it's TFTS channel. Today I am unboxing the Honor Vision Pro Smart TV. It's Honor new Smart TV with Hangman OS. Okay, first unboxing the TV. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's go. Wow, it's really hard. Okay, let's go my way. Okay, that's cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Okay. TV is safe. Okay, guys, TV fully covered on the hardboard. It's secure reason. It's good. I really like the packages. Okay, this time show the TV on the front side. And instead of the front side, sorry, the box front side is TV here. More accessories. See, guys, here the table and charging adapter and the table mounting. Otherwise, no more here on the box. And where is the side mounting tool? Okay, the side mounting tool, TV backside, not here. Just means I'm check the box. Yeah, no, this box inside not here in the side mounting tool. Let's overview the TV side by side. First look the display. The display of the Honor Smart TV 5 inches with a screen resolution of 3840 into 2160. It's a 4K resolution Smart TV and it's 94% screen to body ratio. The display support 87% NTSC white color gamut up to 400 nits brightness. TV's main part is display. Honor Vision Pro is really amazing quality. Its colors quality is very rich look. I really like the display quality. Next, the phone display. Let's look the TV bristles. It's very slim bristles. Reason only one. The TV display is a 94% screen to body ratio. So this whole bristle is very slim compared to other TV. TV thickness is 6.9 mm thickness and it's really good. Very slim TV and compared to your finger, TV is very slim. Your finger is little bit big. So guys, the TV bristles on TV backside more is a 6 speakers here. It's a diamond pattern style. 6 speaker here and 10-watt speaker. Sound output is really amazing. I am finally saw the sound test and that's it. Oh, one more is missing. Yeah, TV top side is the pop-up camera here is a full HD resolution. Megapixel is not mentioned, but the quality is a full HD video recording. It support and also it takes some photos. Good, right? Okay. See guys, this is the TV interface. First time you boot and TV asks Wi-Fi password. You have Wi-Fi to connect to go in or normally go. Anyways, the smart TV may need Wi-Fi connectivity. Anyways, and everything fixed to go. This is the normal interface guys and it's look like other TV, same interface, no more different, lot of the applications here, lot of the movies, everything here on the interface. And one more disadvantage is not support the Play Store. Reason this is the Hangman OS, but Huawei is tell coming soon fix every bugs and you now download any application in Play Store. Coming soon you also download on this smart TV with not download on Play Store. It's a new store, Kangmung store. Huawei is announced coming soon. So don't worry guys. Now this time this TV main feature, you video call support. One more main feature is screen mirroring. It's a 99% accurate working the screen mirroring. Anyways, this is my first unboxing and install review and coming soon depth review on this TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
可以吧？这就是一个简单的开箱。